Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Kids, kids, we will trace A. A with orange color. A, B. Kids, we will trace B. B with black color. B, C. Kids, we are tracing letter C. C. Now kids, we will trace letter D. D with black color. Letter D. Now kids, we will trace letter E. E with black color. Letter E. F. Kids, we are tracing letter F. F. Now kids, we are tracing letter G. G. This is letter G. H. Kids, we will trace letter H. H. This is letter H. Now kids, we will trace letter I. I. This is letter I. Now kids, we will trace letter J. This is letter J. J. K. Kids, we will trace letter K. This is letter K. K. L. Kids, we will trace letter L. This is letter L. Now kids, we will trace letter M. This is letter M. M. Now kids, we will trace letter N. This is letter N. N. Kids, we will trace letter O. This is letter O. O. Now kids, we will trace letter P. Kids, we are tracing letter P. This is letter P. Q. Now kids, we will trace letter Q. Q. This is letter Q. Now kids, we will trace letter R. This is letter R. R. Kids, we will trace letter S. This is letter S. S. Now kids, we will trace letter T. This is letter T. T. U. We will trace letter U. U. Kids, we will trace letter V. This is letter V. V. Kids, we will trace letter W. This is letter W. W. X. Kids, we will trace letter X. X. Now kids, we will trace letter Y. This is letter Y. Now kids, we will trace letter Z. This is letter Z. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.